Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop AutoCAD from freezing when selecting objects using the easy method. This is a great way to clean up your screen response on your workspace session so you can click on any drawing item smoothly without the program stopping. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open the Main Options configuration window. The first step is to open your drawing screen, look down at the bottom typing bar and type the command that opens your Master Settings panel. Move your pointer to the typing line at the bottom of the screen, type the word Options, hit the Enter key on your keyboard, and wait for the large Settings card to pop up. Look at the row of file folders lined up across the top of the window to prepare for your next step. This is the start of everything because you cannot fix selection issues from the regular drawing canvas layout. You have to open this master configuration box so you can access the deeper toggles that control how your mouse highlights items. Without this step, your software will keep using its default display rules that trigger the freeze. Step 2. Turn off the selection preview features. Next, you need to navigate over to the specific tab that handles how items look when you hover your mouse over them and turn off the automatic glowing lines. Click on the tab near the top right that says Selection, locate the section marked Selection Preview, and uncheck both empty boxes next to the preview choices. Make sure the little check marks disappear completely from the screen boxes so the program stops trying to guess what you're pointing at. This is a smart move because every time your mouse hovers over a heavy shape, the computer strains to draw a glowing outline around it before you even click. By turning off these automatic previews, you stop the program from wasting its memory power on visual tricks. It ensures your mouse can move across dense layouts without causing a sudden system lag. Step 3. Change your graphics acceleration settings. Now you need to jump over to the System Performance tab to adjust how your computer card processes the heavy lines on your drawing board. Move your mouse over to the tab marked System, click on the button labeled Graphics Performance near the top left, and slide the main activation toggle to the opposite side. Turn off the 2D display effects or toggle the main slider down to simplify how the program talks to your screen. This is the most important part because modern screen cards sometimes process lines in a way that conflicts with your software updates. By adjusting this performance switch, you tell the computer to stop using complicated drawing methods for simple item clicks. It is the key step to getting the right output because it forces the program to use a safer, more reliable path to display your shapes. And that's it. To stop AutoCAD from freezing when selecting objects, you must first type Options into the command bar to open your master settings. Then you go to the Selection tab and turn off your selection preview boxes. Next, you head to the System tab to adjust your graphics performance toggle. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.